If you connect a paid membership to Patreon, then the money will be debited from your bank card automatically at the beginning of each next month, from the 1st to the 5th day. But you can cancel the next Patreon membership payment. To cancel the payment for a Patreon membership, you need to open the Patreon page. On the main page of Patreon, you need to select Settings. Select the Membership section, and there you will see a list of the authors you follow. Select an author and click View Details. In this section, you can change the payment with a different card or select Cancel Membership to disable paid membership. Once your membership is disabled, no money will be charged to your credit card. But for other creators, paid memberships won't be disabled, so you can choose a creator you don't want to support on Patreon this way. Also, if you don't want to pay for your next Patreon membership, then you need to select More in the settings. After that, select Payment Methods. You can delete your saved credit card details to avoid paying for future Patreon subscriptions. In this way, you will be able to control the payment for the Patreon membership. Because after connecting a paid membership, the money is debited automatically. And to cancel the payment, use this method that I have shown you in this video. That's all. If this video helped you, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.